Hi guys, welcome to Coco and Yaya Adventures. Please subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Coco and this is
Hi
Yaya,
guys.
and we're with our little brother Nizo. And in our previous video, if you saw her video, we opened our Baby Alive doll. And if you saw that she wanted to sleep, she didn't have a bed to sleep, so we had to put her on the couch. And she did not like to sleep on the couch. It was not that comfy. So we got to get her a doll crib, which is right here. Melissa and Doug doll crib. Classic wooden design. And it looks so pretty. I bet she's gonna love it. She didn't see it yet, so let's get started.
Yeah.
Let's open it. Here we go. Whoa. Kind of heavy.
Oh.
I'm gonna fold it. Look at the inside! This is what came in the box. It came with the instructions. And we didn't open this wrapper yet, but it came with some nails, I guess. The things,
Screws.
And
the pieces to
the pillows, the wood pieces to
the mattress, the blanket.
Yeah.
And there's something hard right on the blanket.
Let's open the plastic.
Yeah. There's another one here I can. Look at this. I'm slicing it like a knife. I'm slicing it like my finger is a knife. Okay. Look at it.
What are these things?
Okay.
So don't take them.
Let's take all the pieces off. So, this is the hard thing that I was wondering. It's E. Or E. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I bet there's.
See you when we finish taking everything out. So this is what comes in the box. It comes with a pink pillow with some flowers. It comes with this pink little pillow with some lace on the sides, and there's flowers. I don't know if you can tell. And then there's little swirlies between the flowers.
And there's this pink blanket that has the some flowers too. And this little
that matches with this.
Yeah.
And this is the pink mattress. This is the mattress. Four of these little swirly things. I don't know what they're for. I think they're for the sides.
And we have one of these, which is the bottom of it, and we're gonna put the mattress on it.
And then we have two of these for the sides, the front and the back.
And then we have these two, which I don't know what they're for.
And these are for the bottom to stand it. We have two of them and two of these.
And then we have the long sides to the
so baby doesn't fall out.
Like our bed.
And then of course we need the screws and the little tools so we can build it. And this is a little hard to build, so our mom is gonna help us.
Yes, we build it.
This is what we built so far. We built the sides of the crib. We built both of them. And now we're gonna need to put the sides together.
I don't know how it's gonna work.
I think you put it like this. So see when we do that. The next step. We did so far. We did step 1 and step 2. And now we're gonna do step 3, which are the handles.
We put them in.
I think these are to rock the baby or to move the crib. I don't know.
We can attach wheels.
Maybe. So see you when we do step 3. So guys, we finished putting on the spindles. They're not actually called handles. They're called spindles on the instructions.
I don't know if they're supposed to be called that.
Yeah, but we put them on, and now we're gonna put the rockers on the bottom so it can rock. Rock the baby. So see you when we do that step.
They go with this.
Happy face.
I want to have a happy face. No, I'm gonna have a mustache.
Happy face.
I have a mustache. A Santa mustache.
I'm gonna have a mustache.
I have a mustache.
gonna go into the next step, which is the bottom before we put the mattress, because we don't want the mattress to fall and then she gets hurt. So let's see if we can put that on.
I'll go get the mattress and stuff.
There. Put on the mattress.
One ticket. And then the last thing, the pillow. So you
Oh, there. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put the pillow.
I have an idea. So it's not hard for her to like take it out and then go under it. She put it like that, so then she just goes in.
Okay.
So she won't use it.
Now let's surprise her.
Let's go wake her up. And Lisa brought some milk for her. Yummy, yummy milk.
Wow!
Yeah, you want your milk?
Anyways, it's bedtime for her.
Sarah, do you like it? It's put her book.
Sarah, do you like your bed?
It even rocks.
And it has pink blanket, pillow, and mattress.
It matches your bracelet.
Yeah, it's like a princess bed. Do you like it? Yeah, I love it. I guess she loves it. Let's look at that big smile on her face. Do you know what that means? That means she loves it. And I bet she's gonna sleep in it forever.
Never, so she doesn't want to.
Even when she's a big toddler, a big kid. Yeah, big kid. In the last video when we played with the Baby Alive, Yay's tooth was wiggly, and my tooth was wiggly too, and they both came out.
Do I look weird?
Cheese.
I don't know if I look weird.
You don't look weird. And she lost her tooth too.
She lost both. Just kidding, she didn't.
Guys, we love playing with this crib, and Sarah loves it too. But we have to leave in this video. See you in the next one. Bye.